I'm going to show you how to make a tropical teaser. We're going to start off with our ice, pour that into your glass, and you're going to fill it just about halfway like that. And for this drink, you're going to need dark rum, amaretto, and grapefruit juice. So let's start off with our dark rum. We're going to pour an ounce of this over our ice so it could start chilling. And then we're going to add in a half ounce of amaretto. And I love amaretto. It's got a wonderful almond smell and flavor. And then we're going to put in 4 ounces of grapefruit juice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Go ahead and shake that up. And then we're going to pour this into a rocks glass. You can also serve this in a cocktail glass if you prefer, but I like this in a rocks glass. There we go. And just pour the ice right on in there with it. Add in your stirry straw. And there you have it, a tropical teaser. Cheers.